Hi, this is Ratan Gupta from Knowledge Varsity, and in this video session I am going to cover the text and the string function in the Microsoft Excel. Note that when we are working in Microsoft Excel, many times we have to do some manipulation of the text. Like either like cleaning of some of the unwanted characters, or we may be interested in joining two strings, or getting some of the from one of the text some values. So in such cases we can utilize this text and string functions. So what we have is, these are the list of the functions that you will find. So we will cover in our reading only these functions which we have highlighted in orange, right? So you will find that these are good functions. These are very useful functions that we will see, right? So we will use one function that we will use is a clean function. Now this clean function, what the description says, that it removes all non-printable characters from the text, right? Then you have concatenate function. Concatenate function, it joins several text item into one text item. Then you have exact function. They are saying that it will check if the two text values are identical. So you can understand that how useful this type of functions would be. And find function, it will find one text value within another. This find function is a case sensitive function. Whereas you have another function which is a search function. It finds one text value with another, but it is not a case sensitive. Then you have a function which is left. It returns the leftmost character. Then len function, it will give you the number of characters in a string. Then your lower function, it converts the text into a lower case, right? Then you have mid function, it will give you the middle value of your string. So you have to specify the number of characters, the starting position, and it will give you the values. Proper function, it will capitalize this proper function, it will capitalize each word. So you will see all this function, just this is just a description I am giving. Replace function, it will replace the characters within the text. The repeat function, it will repeat the text given number of times. So you have to specify how many times you have to repeat. The write function, it will return the rightmost character. Search function we saw. Substitute function, it will substitute new text for the old text. Then you have a trim function, it removes the spaces from the text. Then you have upper function, it will convert the text into the uppercase. So these are the various functions that we have seen.